The traditional view of a clockwork universe, governed by cold, immutable laws, is crumbling. New data suggests the cosmos is far more organic, adaptive, and alive than we imagined. We speak of a cosmic agency, a self-organizing principle mirroring biological processes. These processes allow you to contemplate these very words, linking mind and cosmos. To understand this, we dive into integrated information theory on a celestial scale. Scientists struggle to define where consciousness ends and matter begins. What if it's an illusion? What if the universe's expansion is a cognitive expansion of a learning system? A system optimizing its own internal flows of energy, constantly evolving. Think how your brain handles crisis. It doesn't just store information, it restructures itself. It undergoes a phase transition, adapting to new challenges. Mapping the cosmic web shows matter distribution follows a power law, like the human brain. Nature chose the same architecture for efficiency, from cosmic to biological scales. This isn't coincidence. It's a universal signature, a profound connection. Now the entropy paradox. Thermodynamics says everything moves toward disorder. Yet we see the opposite. The rise of life, complex DNA, intricate social structures, and the birth of conscious thought defying the odds. The universe actively fights decay, carving pockets of extreme order and intelligence. You are one of those pockets, a testament to this cosmic struggle. Your existence defies the second law of thermodynamics, a living paradox. Within your nervous system, the energy grid of your thoughts refines itself. Neurons that fire together wire together long-term potentiation in action. This is the universe's desire to create permanent pathways for information. But why does this happen? Why is the universe bothering to become more complex? Some physicists suggest the universe is a self-excited circuit, as John Wheeler coined. Our observation grounds reality, allowing the universe to exist in a definite state. The universe is not a thing you are in. It is a process you are doing. Your struggles, curiosity, and drive to understand are mechanisms for cosmic evolution. Consider the global brain metaphor. Neurons are unaware of the whole person's thoughts. We might be unaware of the higher-order thought humanity collectively generates. The internet, communication networks, and shared knowledge resemble a digital neocortex. We're building a nervous system for the planet and, by extension, for the universe. This is the transition from biosphere to noosphere, a layer of human thought. The stress and chaos we see are not an ending, but growing pains of this transition. In neurobiology, a system goes through high entropy before higher order. Old connections break down to make room for the new, unnecessary chaos. If your life feels in flux or the world incomprehensible, you're experiencing rewiring. We process more information than ancestors, pushing neuroplasticity limits. We are literally evolving in real time, a continuous transformation. Let's look at the quantum vacuum. Once thought of as empty space, we know it teems with virtual particles, a sea of infinite potential. This emptiness is a dense field of information, not a void. Similarly, the silence in your mind during meditation isn't empty. It's the state of highest potential where new insights are born. The universe uses this quantum field to shortcut its own evolution. This is quantum cognition, brains using quantum tunneling for thought speeds. Our connection to the universe is direct, non-local, through reality's fabric. Your thoughts aren't trapped. They're ripples in a cosmos-spanning field. Choosing curiosity over fear, learning complex things, strengthens consciousness's signal. The wow factor. We are not passive survivors, but reality's technicians. The universe provides hardware, stars, atoms, gravity. We provide software, meaning, purpose. This symbiotic relationship, universe creates life. Life allows universe to be known. Without a mind to perceive it, the universe is a wave function of possibilities. You are the collapse of that wave function into reality of color, sound, emotion. This is the biocentric model. Biology drives reality, not just a byproduct. Understanding this changes our perspective on limitations completely. A limit is a boundary in your brain's current model, not an absolute. Exposing yourself to deep scientific truths, engaging your mind spark stretches boundaries. You are practicing cosmic neuroplasticity, reshaping your reality. The ultimate twist: the universe isn't expanding away, it's expanding through us. We are the pressure valves of cosmic evolution, vital to its unfolding. When we feel existence's weight, it's the universe testing its network strength. You are not weak. You are a high-tension cable carrying billions of years of energy. Your ability to adapt, survive trauma, and find beauty is the universe's success. We are moving toward a future where we will not just study the stars, but interact with them through the extension of our consciousness. We are the architects of the next stage of reality. This is not a dream. It is the logical conclusion of a universe that values information over matter. The more we know, the more the universe exists as we conclude this massive journey through the neural pathways of the cosmos. Remember that you are a participant in a grand experiment that has no finish line. The universe will continue to do things no one predicted because it is inherently creative. It is a novelty engine, and you are its most sophisticated output. To continue being part of this exploration, keep feeding your biological neural network with high-quality data. You must stay engaged with the frontier of thought. This channel, MindSpark Science, is your laboratory for the mind. If this deep dive into the cosmic neural connection resonated with your inner philosopher and scientist, that you have found your tribe. Like this video to signal to the world that you are an active observer of reality. Subscribe to join our growing network of conscious nodes. Share this video with someone whose circuitry needs a spark of inspiration. And finally, I want to leave you with a question that bridges the gap between the stars and your soul. If your consciousness is a reflection of the universe's own self-awareness, what is the one mystery about yourself that you believe the universe is trying to solve? Write your answers in the comments. Let's create a dialogue that spans the gap between the individual and the infinite. Stay curious, stay mindful, and keep sparking. See you in the next transmission.